Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here, and there you have it. There you can see it right on your screen. $65,044.05 in my Robinhood trading account. And as you can see here on today, I actually did a swing trade and I was able to lock in my profits around this morning at 11:05 or so. Overall, I'm really happy with my progress. Again, it's not about making $1 million in one day. It's none of that. It's all about being consistent with your trades, making a plan, always stick to it. Also for exits as well, if you see that your trade isn't going as planned, make sure you have an exit point. Cut those losses, because bag holding, like we know, that's no fun. I mainly follow one stock, and actually that stock I traded today was Amazon over the weekend, which would have been on November 22nd. Again, getting out of it today and just locking in those profits. So yeah, how did you guys do so far for the month of November? As you can see here, $65,000 in my trading account. Like, it's such a blessing just to find a consistent growth, and if I can keep this up on the yearly, I'll be really profitable in the end. I'm just gonna be doing this until the end of December, and then I'll be switching into my new account. I'll be doing all that stuff in TD Ameritrade. I have been still practicing as well, paper trading. That's something that I'll never stop, and just to become a better trader. Robinhood, it's still beneficial for me for now, and until then, I'm gonna be switching out and making some more money. So overall, I'm just really happy with my account, my sizing and everything. I've been keeping everything consistent. Overall, I'm happy. $65,000. Just happy with it. Let's just see how we end up. And make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. This is YouTube. You know what to do. Peace.